Best CS2 settings for FPS and performance. If you're struggling with low FPS stuttering or input lag in Counter-Strike 2, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you the best CS2 settings to boost FPS, improve performance and get the smoothest gameplay possible. So let's get started. First, open settings of your Counter-Strike 2 and go to the video tab. If you're having frame rate troubles, the easiest solution is to head to the current video values preset option and lower your options bit by bit. Now go to the game tab. The ping setting ensures you won't be matched into any servers that are geographically too far away. One of the new options in CS2 is to disable the ability to detach the silencer. Just keep this off as it only serves to land you trouble if you misclick the middle of a fight. Likewise, you should have the callers and laters option enabled as this makes it easier to communicate with your teammates. Instead of calling your teammates by their name, CS2 players are happy to go by their chosen color. Now in audio settings, there are some tweaks you can make in the audio menu that could be the difference between life and death. When you're in the middle of a difficult fight, the last thing you need is music blaring to distract you from landing a potential win. Turn off all the sliders in the music section down to 0, then raise the 10-second warning volume slider up to 15%. This plays a track whenever you have just 10 seconds to defuse the bomb, letting you know whether it's worth sticking around as it takes a minimum of 5 seconds to defuse the bomb with the kit. Every other music option is purely subjective, so you can set these values to anything you want, but I advise you to keep these settings below 50% to stop them from becoming too distracting. And that's it. With these settings, you should see a huge FPS boost and much smoother gameplay.